Well, 11:20 in the still morning, almost noontime. 11:20 a.m. still. All right. Time check brought to you by Royal Duty Free. Check out the ongoing promo, and of course, that's the Fridays. Two times the RPC points, Royal Privilege Card points. Okay, Fresh Fridays that is. Whenever you shop on Fridays at both store number 1 and store number 2 on the fresh section, which includes of course meat, fish, chicken, vegetables, fruits, basta fresh section, syempre kasama. You'll get the chance to double your points, RPC points. Fresh Fridays, 2 times the RPC points at Royal Duty Free. All right, visit their social media pages, and you may also check out the official website www.royalsubic.com for more inquiries, where the catalog is always posted. All right, plus of course, along with that is the also excuse me. You may also call 252-3258, the landline hotline number. All right. And on with today's holidays and observances, this time being brought to you by Wawas Jr. 2 branches to serve you, Subic Bay Freeport branch and the Lincoln Heights Subdivision branch. Okay, so Subic Bay Freeport branch is located at stall number 18, one-stop shop building just beside the Subic Gym and Remy Field. You may call or text for orders 0927-895-9714. Kung di ka makadaan, call or text na lang. That's for the Subic Bay Freeport branch. And for the Lincoln Heights Subdivision branch, 0927-950-8775. The best tasting flame grilled quarter pounder burgers. Visit their social media pages to check out their official menu. Okay? Para alam nyo, orderin nyo. Alright? Check it out. And on with today's holidays and observances, August 27, 2024. August 27 is Cinema Day. Alright? Do you guys know that? Cinema Day, August 27. I don't know why it's put on this date, but go ahead. See a movie because it's Cinema Day. All right. August 27 is also Petroleum Day, the day of the petrol, that liquid. It's a solution actually. Diba? Tama ba? Categorize a solution ng no? Yeah. Even the alcohol compound that you rub on your skin or used for disinfecting reasons, it's a solution. All right? Sabi ng science. So yung alcohol, pati yung iniinom, it's a solution. So if you have problems kaya pala nag-alcohol, no? Kasi it's a solution. And petroleum is no different. It's also a solution. I don't know. I'm just not 100% sure. You can correct me if I'm wrong. If it's a solution, yung petroleum. August 27. Okay? World Rock Paper Scissors Day. All right. Do you guys know there's something like an Olympic for this? Wherein merong World Championships pa. All right. So, Rock Paper Scissors Day, August 27, and you may register now if you want to join. All right, or be part of the organization. Okay. Also, August 27 is Banana Lovers Day. Alright, banana is a very good fruit, Nakakapagpalakas because of the B vitamins. Riboflavin, thiamine, niacin. Those are B6, B12, B1. Ayun, there you go. B1, B2, B6, B12. Right. Riboflavin, thiamine, and niacin. The vitamins found. And it's also rich in potassium. Okay? Which aids cell regeneration, and that's why you notice yung mga athlete bago maglaro nagbabanana. Iwas lalo na yung mga basketball player, it helps prevent what do you call that, the stiffness of the muscle, yung pinupulikat. There you go, that's the word I'm looking for, because it's rich in potassium, okay, which relaxes muscles. Do you guys know that? I bet you didn't. All right, and Banana Lovers Day. So have a good dose of banana every day. All right, Tarzan Day. Oh, Tarzan Day, and that's about it. Okay, and every last Tuesday of August is Touch a Heart Tuesday. Ito yung last Tuesday ng August yan. So, today is the last Tuesday of August. So, there you have it. Just a few holidays and observances. And for all of you people celebrating your birthdays today, this one is for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
All right, famous people celebrating the birthdays today. One of them is Senator Leila de Lima. All right, she became controversial. She became laman ng news all over when, especially during the time of our then President Duterte. Yeah, I guess you guys know what happened. No? Let me share a funny, interesting story a little bit about her. Well, not directly about her, but somebody on the internet. There was this something like a questionnaire for everybody. I forgot what the question was all about. Basta naalala ko lang, I answered Senator Leila de Lima. Siya yung sinagot ko. Parang something like, it's a joke eh. It's a joke, parang ganon. May nag-react sa akin na he goes by the name, itago na lang natin sa pangalang Arman Ducot. Nung sinagot ko yung name ni Senator Leila de Lima, galit na galit. Pinagsabihan ako. Oh. Kung ano-ano yung sinabi sa akin. Words like, let me not, medyo expletive yung words eh. Pero, basta galit na galit siya. So sabi ko sa kanya, dude, you joined a page that's for fun. Katawaan. Puro mga joke kasi yun eh, mga ganon. Sabi ko, you joined a page that's all for joke, that's all for fun, just for laughs. And then seryoso ka. Siniseryoso mo yung sagot ng mga tao. Something must be wrong with you. And then I realized, humaba yung usapan eh, maraming sagutan. And then parang nagkaroon siya ng slip of tongue. Nabanggit niya na basta droga wala ako diyan, sabi niya. Hindi ako. That gave everything away. Kaya pala ganun siya makareact. Na parang na-imagine ko tuloy, habang sumasagot siya, habang nag-type siya, nanggigigil siya, yung nag-grind siya ng teeth niya habang sumasagot siya sa akin na, alam mo na something like, words like, bastos ka, wala kang pinag-aralan, yung mga ganon. Na-imagine ko, nag-grind yung teeth niya, gumaganon. Tapos ngumingiwi-ngiwi habang nagta-type sa keyboard. Yun, hinahanap ko na siya ngayon kasi ipapatokhan ko siya eh. Arman, pare, nasaan ka man, I'm coming for you. Pinalista na kita. Well, he gave it away. Nung napunta yung usapan sa, alam mo yun, people who are into drugs, parang gano'n, biglang nanahimik eh. Sige. So, yeah, this part of today's segment is dedicated to you, man. I hope you're listening. Okay. So, moving on. Leila de Lima, nabanggit ko lang, naikwento ko lang, no? August 27, 1959. It's her birthday today. Alright? Kasama si Kuya Ogie Alcacid. Alright? Perhaps one of the most popular, singer, songwriter in the Philippines, who's also a comedian. He's a good comedian. He's a good actor. Alright? Movie and TV actor as well. Si Pokwang din. Ayan, magaling din na comedian and TV host and presenter. Right? August 27, 1970. Okay? Si Kuya Ogie Alcacid, August 27, 1967. Alright? Next up, we have Ariana Greenblatt. You're probably familiar with her for portraying the role of Daphne Diaz in the hit series Stuck in the Middle. All right, and in 2017, she had the role on the big screen on the film A Bad Mom's Christmas with Mila Kunis and Kristen Bell. And you guys remember Alexa Pena Vega? Do you remember her? She turns 36 now. All right, so let me give you the details on who she is and what did she do na maaaring maalala nyo bigla. She played the role of Carmen Cortez. Ayan, familiar na? On the Spy Kids movie. Me oh my. I've seen all the Spy Kids movie because of my kid. And I remember watching Alexa as a child actress. Child actress pa lang siya doon. Si Carmen Cortez. And now 36 na siya, no? Man, how old am I? Okay, and next up we have Paul Rubens. August 27, 1952. He is popular for portraying the role of Pee Wee Herman. Yan yung character na siya lang ang pwedeng gumanap. Wala nang iba. Sadly, he passed away just last year, 2023. He would have been 71 today. All right? And next up, we have Blake Jenner, who is Ryder Lynn in the musical drama Glee. All right? And he also played the role of Adam Foster in the series Supergirl. All right? So, August 27, 1992, turns 32 today, Blake Jenner. And WNBA superstar Brianna Stewart turns 30 today. Mario Barrett, R&B singer Mario. Pero he goes by the name Mario lang, ano? When he became an R&B singer, all right? His full name is Mario Bennett. Turns 38 today. And next up we have Dr. Miranda Bailey on ABC's Grey Anatomy. Actress Chandra Wilson turns 55 today, August 27, 1969. And lastly, Dog Whisperer, perhaps the best in the world, the most popular, the most known dog trainer / dog whisperer, Cesar Millan. All right? August 27, 1969. Kakaiba tong maman to, no? Parang may superpowers. Turns 55 today. All right, so there you have it, celebrities and the like celebrating the birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them, all of you. August 27 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
And so your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. Text me up, all right? 0910-6909-501. That's the official text digits for this radio show. For the meantime, giving you a song from, well, one of today's birthday celebrants, all right? Ogie Alcacid. And this is his hit song from way back when. This is called Dito sa Puso Ko, 895 Subic Bay Radio.